entire space of home services essentially is what we call the unorganized or unregulated sector, right? There are many problems we as service providers know in this market, right? We don't understand things like pricing. What is the right price in the market? Someone comes and gives lower prices. Other people give higher prices. The price is always fluctuating. We don't understand what is the basic standard of quality. Your standard of quality is very different from my standard of quality, right? And there is no regulator or there is no community where people come together and discuss all these things. This is a very big problem. If you look at, say, real estate, or if you look at venture capital, or if you look at even things like restaurant and food services, right? There are communities where there are bloggers, or there are companies like you who speak about day-to-day issues and try and bring a resolution or a solution to this. In our space, it does not exist, right? Because we are in different stratas and we are very fragmented and we are very diverse, right? Anything today in home services can be home services, right? Nowadays in Dubai, there's a new trend where beauticians are also coming on the platform and giving you haircuts at home. They're also giving massages at home. So every day there is some new sector or there's some new market that is coming into place. So how do you build a community in this market? First you have to have a platform. You have to have a market. You have to have a stage where everyone can come together and start discussing these things. This was the opportunity where we, as Mr. Usta, came and decided to build a platform like this in the UAE. Now, what is Mr. Usta essentially, and how did it start? Our platform was started by a couple, okay, Ibrahim Kolak and Dunya Othman, husband and wife who had been staying in Dubai for a while. They were trying to get some AC repair or something like that, and they couldn't find a good service provider. So they decided to check the market. They called a lot of people in 2014, and there was various issues, right? The price was not right, or someone was not offering the good quality service. So they decided to create a platform. Now, what they didn't realize, and we as a platform are still learning, is that there are multiple different facets of it, right? There are different, your solutions or your problems as an AC provider is very different from your problems as a mover. Your problems as a mover is very different from your problems as a handyman. So we had to create one platform which we can address most of the issues. We can't address all the issues, but most of the issues. So they decided to create it via online space, right? There are many places, there are many different ways you can do it. Either you can do it via phone and a concierge service, or you can do it by creating a store, like many people have now stores inside malls or like Minutes. I don't know how many of you all know Minutes, right? But with many customers now moving online, and one thing that COVID has done to the entire world is the shift to online space, right? That is undeniable and that is happening. Now, in 2014, they created Mr. Usta, which is a platform for different companies to come as a marketplace. What is Usta and what is this one? I don't know from where a lot of you all hail, but in my country of India, it's called Ustad, right? In Turkish and Arabic, it's Usta, which is basically a master craftsman. It is a teacher, right? This is the honorific title that we have given to our service providers as well. So our service providers on the platform, they're called Ustads. Now, thank you. So Ustads on the platform, they come to us looking for jobs, and we in turn help them to bring each one of you together on one homogeneous service quality. That means we don't want everyone to have different types of service qualities, and we are never in the process of judging that this one's customer service is bad or this one's service quality is bad. We believe everyone has their own pros and cons. Yeah. The thing is to get you all working together on one platform. Now when we start, essentially, how do we give business to service providers? Across all our categories, there are two ways a customer can book a job. Okay? There are certain categories that are fixed price categories. Like for example, a cleaner or a handyman or a plumber, right? They are generally done per hour. Their pricing is done per hour. So if I as a customer come on the platform, and decide to book a service provider to book a service in any of these categories, I can get a fixed price upfront. Okay, this is where we can confirm the job upfront with the customer. This is the most important thing, right? There are other types of jobs where a site visit is necessary, right? You cannot give a price upfront. For example, landscaping. For example, renovation, fit out. You cannot give a price upfront. You have to go do a site visit, figure out the price, talk to the customer. And this is our second part of our business, which is lead generation. So we bring you and we connect you to different customers who are interested in doing this stuff, in this type of jobs. So essentially, we have two sides of the business, okay, which is confirmed jobs and unconfirmed jobs. Okay. I will come to the pricing a little bit later, but I just want to talk a little bit more about the different aspects. Very, can you move next slide? Yes. So this is essentially what we said, right? There are offers and there is instant booking. What happens in offers or unconfirmed jobs is when customer comes, posts a job, receives offers. So what happens is, let's say we are doing a plumbing job. A customer wants to do a plumbing job like a bathroom remodeling or maybe some pipe repair or whatever. Now, if that has to be done, then we put them in touch with a maximum of 3 service providers. So the first 3 who are able to reach out to that customer and introduce themselves well, okay, and give them an estimation. The most important thing in this space is always customer education, right? In the UAE, customers are all from across the world, right? So there is, I come from India, some others come from Egypt, some others come from other parts of the GCC. We are all used to very different ways and cultures from across the world. It is very important for the service provider to educate the customer, right? In the UAE, in Dubai, or in Ajman, this is how we price for this service. So when you give an estimate, and that's what we call an estimate, right? An estimate is what customers look for because they've never done these things before in their life, in the UAE, right? So many times, first-time customers are always interested in getting an estimate. So our job first is to educate them, give an estimate. If you do impress the customer with the estimate, then they call you to the next part, which is for site visit. When you do the site visit, then that's where your sales comes in handy. If you're a good salesperson, if you're able to tell the customer the benefits of why you are the most important service provider, obviously then you will get the job done. Okay. In the second way of instant booking, like I said, this is confirmed jobs. The prices are fixed. The commissions are already pre-decided between you and me. All you have to do is go and do the job with the customer. Okay, so this is instant booking. So there are 2 categories. Next slide. Okay. Now that we know what is our service offering, we need to know what is our opportunity in the market. Yeah. The home services space is very, very new. Even though we are now 5 years in this business, 5-6 years in this business, it is still very, very new to customers, right? A lot of customers still don't know that they can do these bookings via an application. They are very new to the idea that these type of spaces, people still come and ask me, they say, oh, I didn't know I can book a handyman online. I didn't know I can get my moving done like that because I was always used to doing it via a phone number. I was referred. Today, where do they find their service provider? To reference. You did your moving, so you will tell another customer, see, or your friend, you will tell your friend that, see, I did moving from this one, this guy is good, right? But that trust, where can I find it if I don't have references? If I'm new to Dubai, I came to Dubai or I came to Ajman from another country, my first job here, right? No one is there to give me references, so I need to come to a place where customers can trust, where I get some idea of what the service provider is like, and then do the job. Therefore, the market size of Mr. Rusta or in the UAE is humongous. Okay, and with the new additions of people moving online, there's a lot of opportunity to be had. I must say that the Ajman Chamber of Commerce here has been very, very helpful. Right? We as Mr. Rusta and we as a startup in this space have a certain amount of resources. Right? We cannot do this for the entire UAE today, right? We require other partners. Let me just say at this point of time, this business is very much dependent on trust between me as the platform and you as the service provider. That's why we say the ustas on our platform are partners. And I tell you why this is important, right? If you book, I don't know how many of you have booked food online through Zomato or Talabat or any of these other platforms, right? In these platforms, if you press 3 buttons, you will get your food delivered. Khalas, that is the end of the story, right? In our platform, you will press the 3 buttons, you will get the service provider. But once the service provider is in the customer's house, then khalas, my job is done, right? You then have FaceTime with the customer for that entire time until the job is done. This is a space where I require a lot of trust from you as a service provider. If I'm giving you my customer, how you treat them, how you interact with them, how you collect payments, that is very important. And that's why trust is always there. Therefore, if you come and tell me, see, there is a problem in this space, I must listen to you because I am only a technology expert. You are the expert in moving, you are the expert in handyman, you are the expert in cleaning. I will never know more than you in this case. Okay? Therefore, interaction with our partners is very important. The space in the market. The space in the market is only going to grow. In 2018, this entire market in the UAE was only 13 billion. Okay? And when we talk about 13 billion, what do we talk about? We talk about the entire facilities management space. Yeah? This is the one space in the market in the UAE which is really, really sought after. For example, if I want to take over management of Damak properties, or if I want to take management of Imar properties, or this community, or that community, that market today is very large. Mr. Rusta is lucky that way because as of March this year, Mr. Rusta is now also a Majid Al Futtaim company. Okay, we have an investment from Majid Al Futtaim, so Majid Al Futtaim is now helping us to expand in different areas of the UAE. To give you a little bit of an explanation, we can move to the next slide. Majid Al Futtaim today has many different businesses. Yeah, so they have Carrefour, they have Crate and Barrel, they have the SharePoint system, they have Mall of the Emirates, City Center, Walk Cinema, and they also have townships of their own, like Tilal Al Ghaf in Dubai, which is being built, Al Zahia in Sharjah, which is being built. They are all Majid Al Futtaim properties. Recently, we took over one of those properties, which is called Al Zahia in Sharjah, right? Now, this is a community of 6,000 units, right? So, at least 6,000 families. In the future, when they build it fully, that is the market opportunity. Today, they have finished only 1,000 families. 1,000 families today are staying there. And Mr. Rusta and our partners have access to that property to get those jobs done. In fact, this is one of the first places where the residents were telling us, we didn't know that this service exists, right? That we can do it. So, over now 2021, our program and our mission is to start integrating with each one of these verticals. Yes. So, for example, right now the first integration that we're doing is SharePoints. So, the SharePoints that you accumulate on Carrefour can be used to buy services on Mr. Rusta. When you buy services on Mr. Rusta, you get SharePoints which you can use on Carrefour, right? Today, if a customer buys a washing machine or a customer buys a fridge from Carrefour, who's going to do the installation? Who's going to do the moving from Carrefour to the customer's house? It is you as the service provider, right? You will then work with us to say, oh, you will pick it up from Carrefour, go to the customer's house, install it. So the opportunities to do this with Majid Al Futtaim are many. So our first stage was to start with Carrefour. In fact, on the 6th of December, we are doing a 1-month campaign with Carrefour all across the UAE, where we will be introducing customers to Mr. Rusta, telling them about our services. We expect a very large increase of jobs coming in. So this is the best time right now, where we can move and get service providers like you from other Emirates as well in Ajman. It will be very good right now if our communities, if our services come to this area, so that customers sitting here, families sitting here, are also able to get these benefits, right? Mary, to the next slide. Okay. So just before we go any more into the discussions of how Mr. Rusta works, I just want to give a little explanation of what Ajman Chamber of Commerce and we are doing together. Yeah. Every one of us know in this space, working in Dubai, getting any kind of business done, it is very important if you have a very strong local partner. Okay, if you have a very strong authority who can help you. Because you and I, as much as we want to do and navigate in this space, we always require help to know which are the right management to talk to, which are the communities to get into. Ajman Chamber of Commerce has come to our help, and they are working with us. It is an initiative from them to help you as a service provider, okay, leverage our platform. So you in partnership with us can generate more business and go out to different customers. Now how do we do that and how are we going to achieve that, right? We need to educate this market in Ajman that this service is first available, right? How do we do that? Over the next 1 month now, though all the partners who are interested to be on, as partners of Mr. Usta, we'll have, so Mary, who is our operations manager, and I will have individual meetings with each one of you all to understand what is your business like, what categories are important to the customer here, what is the pricing like, because Ajman pricing is very different from Dubai pricing. I think one of the biggest issues that many platforms make, or one of the problems that they make, is they think Dubai standard is the same for all other Emirates, you know, and therefore there's a very big gap between what customers in Ajman or customers in Sharjah are used to with what customers in Dubai are used to. This, let me just say right now also, this platform is so nuanced, it is so different in each different zone. It is very important to speak to partners like you to understand, oh, see, the pricing in this place is different from that pricing, right? In Abu Dhabi, the pricing is higher than what it is in Dubai. You can't give us the Dubai prices here because it just doesn't work. The shape of the city also is different, so that impacts your logistics, right? In one place you're traveling along a straight line, another place you're traveling far to different islands. So over the next month, the partners that are interested in working with Mr. Usta, we will do interviews with them. We'll understand what categories they are able to serve, what is their individual capacity, what is the pricing in the area, and then accumulate that and create the website which is specifically made for Ajman. Yeah. So more importantly, after we identify that, then arriving at the right price, like I mentioned, that we will all discuss the pricing. Okay. Most important, agreeing on Ajman market standards. You all have the privilege of defining this. Okay. Today there is no regulator, there is no market as such, right? It is an unorganized market. You all have the privilege to define the early standards of what it should be. Okay. That is very important, and that can be done. Awareness and customer education. It's very important to get the estimates right, to understand why this AC is different from the other AC. These are very small nuances that need to be explained to customers. How will the Ajman Chamber of Commerce help us? They'll start with their own employees, right? We will tell all the government employees that, see, we are in partnership with all our service providers based in Ajman. We will first cater to you, right? You tell us whether you are satisfied with the service or not. They will be the first adopters. First adopters are always the ones who will be very, they're kind of like a testament to what we are going to provide to all different other customers, right? From there, then we establish Ajman as a base, as a hub, to not only service Ajman, but to service other Emirates as well, right? Because like Dubai is a hub. Dubai is a hub. From Dubai, things happen to other Emirates on the side. That's why, unfortunately, Sharjah is actually the biggest victim, because Sharjah gets treated like an extension of Dubai or old Dubai. Therefore, no one has created the standard for Sharjah in specific. But we can do that now with Ajman. We can make Ajman a hub to not only cater to this market here, but to cater to all the other Emirates from here, right? So Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, Fujairah, even Sharjah as well. So that is our roadmap of how the partnership is going to establish that. Next slide. Okay, what does it mean that you are a Mr. Usta partner? Now let me explain to you how platforms generally work, right? A tech platform is one where, especially when it is a marketplace, is that many different service providers can just sign up and then use the platform how and well in their own specific needs, right? As a Mr. Usta, I told you already before, right? We have to work with you guys as partners to understand what are your difficulties in the space and how we can help you address that. So it is very important to be a Mr. Usta partner, okay? Customer service is the most important thing, right? And this is something that is a big challenge right now in the space. I know in Dubai as well, even in different other markets, right? That one of the biggest issues in the home services space is there is a trust deficit, right? Many customers, and we see this happening even on our platform right? Many customers take the service, don't pay, right? Then the service provider gets worried about how that payment is going to be sorted with the customer. Same way on the other side, right? Customers pay and then don't get what is expected. Therefore, it is very important that we as a platform create a standard, right? You will take one step, customer will take one step. So therefore the trust is built on both sides, right? And once you tell the customer this upfront, then no one can go back on like, oh, this didn't happen or this we didn't agree on. There is no ambiguity in that sense, right? So I understand this as service providers, there is a big trust deficit. Our job and our initiative as Mr. Ustad is to bridge that trust deficit, right? POQs, references, all these sort of things, they must be given upfront. I keep telling service providers, right? As long as you have your records, right, in place, customer can't say anything. It is very important. Receipts, POQs, we have agreed on this. There are large fit-out jobs that happen. There are large renovation jobs that happen. There's always back and forth that keeps happening between customers and service providers. We agreed on this, this was not delivered. That was agreed, this much was the amount, keeps changing. But if you have your records in place, customers can't say anything, right? Most important is, if you are a partner with Mr. Ustad, right, you must understand this is an internet business, okay? An internet business has different dynamics. Things like reviews, things like being online all the time, right? Keeping your account active. These things really matter, right? They may be small, they may not have a large physical aspect to it, but these things online, they make a very big difference. You must learn how an internet business works, right? Reviews, having a website, keeping in touch with customers, when they send messages, replying in time. A lot of times, one of the biggest issues is that customer sends a message, reply happens after 2 hours or 3 hours. It's an instant age, right, where things happen instantly. If I send you a WhatsApp message, you send me a WhatsApp message back. If I give you a phone call, you give me a phone call back. This happens. It's a very big dynamic of the internet space. Okay? Most important, one of the things why platforms like us work is in the spirit of good competition. We agree on the pricing. It's not like for your moving job it is 200 dirhams, for your moving job it is 1000 dirhams. Right? We have to understand what is the unit size, what is the pricing, and all come in agreement with it. So now we become partners together. And then no one is undercutting each other. We never want a system, or we never want a situation where customers are booking based on price, right? Because if it's based on price, then whoever has the lowest price will always get the job, right? So we never want that situation to happen at any point in time. And more importantly, you and I are always in this for, yes, the customer service, but also to make good, healthy margins, right? If we are not making money out of the business, it doesn't make sense for anyone. So it's very important to have good pricing, and that we are all in agreement on that pricing. Next slide. Sure. What happens next is that once you do come on the platform, it's very important to understand how the registration process also works. We ask for a bunch of documents. Okay, this we'll send to you, each one of you individually as well. It's very important to us that each company is thoroughly a legitimate business, okay? Because we have also seen in the market there are a lot of companies that are not legitimate, right? We don't know whether they have got proper ownership, where the funding is coming from. A lot of people just bring in money to create a laundry company or a cleaning company but does not have the actual services. It's very important for customers to know that we have thoroughly fact-checked all our service providers for every little aspect of their business. Yeah. Once you do submit us these documents, then we go through each one of them, and then we realize that which are the businesses that are good, which will work, okay? And if the service provider does not have the documentation or does not have the professionalism for it, it's fine. But as long as there is a spirit to learn and to move and to adapt these things, right? If the service provider is willing to learn, if the service provider is willing to onboard certain things for basic standards of quality, of course, it's always important and it's always easy to increase this. Again, like the recharge, I'll come back to later. What's the next slide? Sure. How does our payments and fee structure work, right? Our payments and fee structure works in a system like this. Once you are verified, you are given an account. Okay, this account is like a prepaid plan, like a mobile prepaid plan. You top up your account, okay, and you have a certain amount of balance in your account. Whenever you get a job, I will get commission. Okay, so that is the most important thing. Yes, there are other fees as well, but the most important thing, the way Mr. Usta today makes money is that when you get a job, then I get a commission on that, and our commission is generally around 15%. Okay, if you don't get the job, we don't get commission, and that amount that is in your account will always be in your account. Okay, but the criteria that we see to see how service providers are doing well and how they're able to churn business, okay, is that they're able to turn around and recharge faster or move around. Our typical ustas who are very active, they finish their recharges somewhere within 30 days. So generally per month they are able to turn around their recharges and move ahead. Now, like I said, like you see here, we have different recharge amounts for different service providers and for different categories. Okay, the guys like laundry, cleaning, and all, they generally recharge about 2,100, which is the smaller amount because the ticket sizes are also smaller, so you don't have to upfront put in too much money. Okay, where other places like MEP, moving, and all that, you charge a little higher. For B2B contracts, which is generally for renovation, for fit out, all those sort of things, it's very important that you put a larger amount so that you can always be active. For the Ajman partnership, right, and in partnership with, as you are all registered with the ACC, we're given a special amount of 1,050. 50 dirhams goes for VAT, 1,000 dirhams goes into your account. Okay, so your account, whenever you get a job, then we take our commissions from this 1,000 dirhams. When your 1,000 dirhams gets over, you recharge again. Yes?
Just one question.
Yes.
The 1,050.
Yes.
It's instead of 2,100?
Yes,
You mean?
instead of, right? So, like in Dubai, for where this, especially right now, when we are starting a new market, I do not want to put pressure on each one of you to put large amounts of money in the account and just keep it stored there, right? Because it is going to take time to generate business, to talk to customers, marketing spend from our side. So it's very important right now that you put a small amount of money. Our basic requirement. So there is one question, right? Why can't I put 500 dirhams? Why can't I put 200 dirhams? There are many platforms that do this, right? Where you can top up any amount that you want. I'll tell you why we charge a minimum standard. When there is a minimum standard in your account, right, then you become serious. Then you become serious, you push me, I push you, right? Otherwise, we did this in the past, many platforms do this in the past where you top up any amount of money that you want. But then that value reduces a lot. Your seriousness on the platform reduces a lot. If you know that there is 1,000 dirhams in your account, 2,000 dirhams in your account, you will always be like, Risham, where are the jobs? Right? I need to get this much done. I want that much amount of business. As partners, you and I need to keep pushing ourselves, right? It can't be tomorrow, and we've seen this in the past, right? When some major issue happens, it's not only COVID, right? In 2016, it was oil prices came. That time business was also down, market was also down, right? At that point in time, oh, I only have 2,000 dirhams in the account, class, I need to close my business and leave. But what about your customers? What about the customers who are booking on the platform? You have a responsibility, right, to take a certain amount of your involvement on the platform seriously. That's why we have a basic amount that we don't charge below. Of course, your money is one credit. This gets converted into credits in your account. So 1,000 dirhams becomes 1,000 credits in your account. How do customers pay? Generally, they pay online or they pay through cash on delivery. You, as a service provider, can also top up your account through a credit card, or you can do it via cash deposits from any ATM. Yeah. Of course, once your balance becomes negative. Now, I'll tell you why we call this credit, right? Let's say that you've topped up your account with 1,000 dirhams, but tomorrow you get a job where our commission itself is 2,000 dirhams. You will go into minus 1,000 dirhams, and we will allow that. So it's not like we won't let you get the job unless you have that much amount of money in your account, right? So if you have 1,000 dirhams and you get a job where our commission is 2,000, you'll go into minus 1,000. But that means you still owe us 1,000 dirhams. We will give you up to 1 week where you can recharge and you can become online again, all right? So the moment you become offline means you are not able to get new jobs. You must always keep a positive balance in your account, yeah? And of course, what we do is we charge a service fee of 200 dirhams. This is our fee per month, okay, that we charge. Right now, as a Majid Fidem company, we have a lot of charges to bring you more jobs and to work with you in different areas. So therefore, we have a service charge that we have implemented. We have, of course, our bank account details also where you can deposit these amounts directly online. Which field you want to be in? Some people take both confirmed and unconfirmed jobs. Some people only want to work with us on confirmed jobs. Other people only want to work with us on larger jobs. Okay. In the confirmed jobs, there is no, these charges don't apply. Okay, this is only for the unconfirmed jobs. In the confirmed jobs, whatever is the price of the job, I take 20% of that. That is my commission on that. Okay. In the unconfirmed jobs.
Sorry, your commission will take it from my company.
Yes. Okay. So let's say there is a 100 dirham job. Okay. Which customer has booked. Okay. I will give that 100 dirham job to you, and from that 20 dirhams I will keep as commission.
Yeah.
Okay. And that 20 dirhams I will take from your 1,000 dirhams which you put in your account.
And how will you guarantee that I will take this market order for this service?
You will accept it. So it will come on your application and you will click on accept job. Okay. So let's say for example the job comes to me and then I will send it to all the service providers who have registered under that category. And then you will come and you will accept it. You will say I accept this job. If you don't accept it, someone else will accept the job. Yeah? This is in the confirmed space. Okay, so these are confirmed jobs. In unconfirmed jobs, okay, where the price is not fixed, right? So I don't know the price of the job because you have to do site visit or you have to go and discuss with the customer, right? The unconfirmed job comes, all of you with all the service providers who are in that category will get that lead. It's called a lead. It's not a job. When we say job, it means confirmed. Lead, basically it is unconfirmed. Okay? So when you get that lead, what will happen first? First you have to contact the customer, right? So that to contact that customer, you charge a chat fee. Okay? So
I contact the customer without your app.
No, you contact the customer with that app, right? So that lead comes to you, okay, to contact that customer. So customer details will be there on the application. I will show you this, of course, to show that you'll understand. But to get in touch with that customer, you can either get in touch with them either by phone or via our chat. Okay. So to get in touch with them, we have those fees. Okay. If the job gets confirmed, then I will charge you this commission value based on the final value. So let's say you and the customer have agreed on the job, and that job is now 250 dirhams. That is basically within this price bracket, I will take the commission value. Okay. If it is not confirmed, if the customer didn't agree with you, then whatever you, I will take only the charges of whatever you have opted for. So if you opted to communicate with the customer via chat, I will keep only this 2 dirhams. If you took the phone number with us as well, then I will keep that 10 dirhams. Okay.
Thank you.
This amount of commission is refundable. Okay. There are many times when
Anyways,
sorry.
anyways, it's refundable for you.
This commission value is refundable. For example, let's say you and the customer have agreed on the job. So you went, did the site visit, customer said, I'm very happy, come into the job. And on the job date you went to the customer's house, customer says, no, I didn't want it. Okay. Then we will refund that commission value if customer cancels. Okay. So basically I wanted to give you an example and an understanding of how that system works. I'll of course show it to you in this presentation as well. Mary, next slide. Oh. This is the basic. At this point, does anyone else have questions? No. Okay. I just want to show you. Mary, can you show the website? Yeah. Chrome. So this is Mr. Rustam, yeah. So right now this is the website that is there on the platform, okay. We are undergoing a major revamp as well because now with the Majid Al Futtaim partnership and all that, we are reintroducing ourselves to customers in various different ways. So there will be a whole revamp of the website as well. But basically when you come onto the website, there are all these tiles, there are all these categories, right? We have right now nearly 50 categories on the platform. We want to increase more categories, right? So like for example, I said every geography, every region have different needs, yes? Based on the needs, we will be able to add more categories. One of the good things about Mr. Rustam, right, is like, like for example, we just show the Bobby. Like we met with service providers and said, you know, what are we missing out on as Mr. Rustam? There are many categories. What business part are we missing out on, right? One service provider said, see, you are not targeting the villas, okay? Right now it is winter time. Winter time, a lot of the Western expats, a lot of the residents here, they love to do barbecues, right? Barbecue cleaning is something that we should do. Every week or every weekend, the customers and the families, they get together, they have parties, they do cleaning and all that. So we said, okay, great, if you want to do barbecue cleaning, how should we do it? So click on view more. So they said, okay, no problem, let's create one category, right? So the service provider, what they do is they give us the information first about that category. So we create one page, one entire page about barbecue cleaning, before, after, we show pictures like this, so customers understand what is exactly they're getting. Then when they come, they can book now. So click on book now. You'll have to go. Just sign up. Yeah. So how do we show this? We show customers this entire space, right? So we show for each different segment. You can click, either do a small gas barbecue, or you can do a built-in one. Larger ones, which are also gas and charcoal, or a built-in one, large and small. So exactly like this, we break up each service, and then we put them into a system where customers then select how many do they want. So select it. Then customers will then put in their location, okay, add extra details that they want, and select the time. So they put in the date, select the time. This will go back. See, this is another example, right? This is why I say all service providers must always keep an active balance, right? When the moment you are in negative balance, all right, then the customer will not be able to book the job as well, all right? Show furniture cleaning. So in this right now, the service provider's balance is negative, so he must have got a very big job, right? And therefore his commission is in minus. Let's see furniture cleaning. Furniture cleaning, same way. Book now. The different things that we do in furniture cleaning, right? So they click mattress, how many do they want, single size, how many do you need clean, put in the address and the checkout, the timing, and then they get the price. And then they get basic requirements of what they will get in that system. Yeah? This entire system can be created for your specific needs. Okay? So one service provider said, let's do barbecue cleaning. Another service provider said, let's do garden maintenance. Today a new service provider is telling us, hey, why don't you do car rentals, right? There's also another service that we can give, where we will rent the car, we just have to give pricing, and we give you a price per hour. So this is another advantage that you can take with Mr. Ustad. We have no limit. You can tell us which category or something in specific that you are doing which we don't have on the platform right now, we can make that for you. Yeah? And when we make that, all we need is a pricing system and basic requirement of what customer will get for booking on that. And then of course when they click on checkout, then most important is customers have to be verified. All our leads that come on the platform, they are not just like someone came and posted one job. Yeah, they have to register themselves. They have to register themselves by mobile, via email address, and only then can they post a job. Yeah, so that's why whenever we send you the leads, they are from verified customers. They are not unverified. They are not just leads that came from here and there. Yeah. When you sign up as a customer also, right? You have to put your name, your email address, your mobile number, sign up in this manner. Show me the Ustad. You as a service provider also has to do the same. Not only that, after this process, you have to put in your categories. Mary, can you just show one Ustad profile of the package? Okay. Once you do sign up, okay, then you will get an account like this, all right, where you will get new jobs that come on top, all right. Click on my jobs. That's fine. I sent you the login and password on your WhatsApp. Okay, that's fine. Just show me this. Just keep job ad. Yeah. This is all the jobs. So I'm trying to show you how we process all these things on our system at the back end, right? Or our system on the back end, we get jobs like this every day, right? There are many different types of jobs that come in. They come in for Dubizzle. We have a partnership with Dubizzle also, by the way. So customers can book Mr. Star jobs via Dubizzle, right? One of the major things that they do book is Ajman moving. A lot of customers are moving to Ajman from Dubai, all right? And we often require movers who can do that moving. Dubizzle jobs come from Dubizzle. We have handyman services. Like this, there are different partnerships. We have partnerships across also with Dubai Now. So Dubai Now is also an exclusive partner with Mr. Usta. You don't have to book Mr. Usta jobs via Mr. Usta platform as well. If you're on Dubai Now app, you can book it directly from there. In 1 month's time, we will be on the Carrefour app also. So if you're a Carrefour customer and you can book your jobs, Mr. Usta jobs on the Carrefour application also. So you don't have to come to Mr. Usta. So we have these multiple channels everywhere, right, where customers can book. Once we get them at the back end, I'll just show you how it happens, right? When the job comes in at the back end on our system, first it is waiting for approval. Okay, can you open this job? First it is waiting for approval, okay? We get all these details like this on our backend system, right? The customer name, number, where it has come from. Then we get the title, the origin of it, the job date, the location area, all these things we do on the backend. In our confirmed jobs, we call the customer as well to ensure that they have not just tested the app or they are just checking, right? So they are confirmed. When we send you confirmed leads, we mean they are confirmed, right? And once all these things are done, then we go on top and then we approve the job. Yeah. Once it is approved, then it comes into your own application. So you will get an application, you will get an account with us, which you can use via mobile account or you can use via website. Right? So once you get that, then you can either, like I told you, either you can accept the job or you can reject the job, or if you want to contact the customer, you can contact the customer. All these sort of things necessary. Can you show? I want to show you also, how we use analytics, right? So it's not that one of the big reasons or one of the things that you as a partner benefit from me is that you get analytics at all points of time. So we are at all points of time, we are checking where the jobs are coming. I can show you. We can at all points of time on the map locate where jobs are coming and from which date to which date, right? So let's say from 1st of November to today, right? And if I put, Penny can just put moving. Yeah. So, put normal moving. We're able to tell with different analytics on where the jobs are coming from. Like for example, here if I show you, let's put laundry. So we can understand and identify between a certain date what type of jobs are coming. So either it's wash and press or wash and fold, whether it is press only or whether it is curtains and blinds, which times, most importantly things, whether customers are booking in the morning or customers are booking in the evening, how many do they want. There are very interesting analytics that keep coming out across the system that we can find out, right? Where the jobs are coming from, what type of jobs are coming from, how you can improve your business. For example, one interesting thing, right? Customers post a job in the morning or they post a job on Sundays, right? But to improve your sales, you should be online when the customer is online, right? So when the customer is online, you should be sending a message. When you send a message, then the customer is more likely to read it. The customer is more likely to respond to your message. If you send a message at 9 o'clock in the night when customer is having dinner, customer will not read it until next morning. So these are things that you can benefit from us by learning and understanding analytics. When the jobs come, how the jobs come, all those sort of things, right? Even if I do, so demand for us is very high at this point, right? So you can see at this point, I have 300 applications just in Dubai alone. Yes, for signups on the platform. The thing is that yes, we do get a lot of signups, we get a lot of interest from service providers, but not all of them are always very professional. Not all of them are always very certified. Not all of them understand how a technical, like an internet business works. And therefore, our job is to sit down and to go through each one of these service providers and then come out with solutions as who is the right partner for us. We also have at this point in time, let me just show you, can you just type Rhino? So you will get an account. So this is an account on the back end, right? You can select whichever categories you want. Just select some categories. So if you want housemaid cleaning, do you want moving, or do you want any of these things? You can select. So like for example, with our partnership with Careem, if you want to be part of the Careem platform and get jobs from customers who are posting on Careem, then you can select that as a category and tell us. If you want plumbing, this is confirmed jobs, this is unconfirmed jobs for plumbing. Whichever type of category you want, you can select it, right? And in the future, we are moving, next year we are moving to Saudi as well. So customers can select whichever categories they want, select the Emirates they want. So if I want all these categories only from Dubai, it's one thing. If I want them from Ajman, I can select for Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, all these sort of things, right? So you can select and save. And then not only that, you can display to customers your own portfolio, right? So how you put up your pictures. It's very important to show customers what they are getting, right? So my cleaner, if they'll come dressed like this, they will clean like this. If they fix, they will fix like this. In painters, we tell painters, very important to show them that you're putting plastic on the ground, that you move the furniture. It's not like someone who just came in a shirt and a paintbrush and is painting, right? So when you show this to customers, you can display your logo. All these sort of things you are able to do on a platform like this and segregate yourself from the rest of the crowd out there. Yeah. We give you also a transaction statement, right? So you can see how your fees are broken up. Instant booking fees are the confirmed job fees, right? So whenever you get a confirmed job, we charge you an instant booking fee. Whenever you receive a good rating from a customer, we give you 5 dirhams as rating, as a reward for getting the good rating. That means whenever a customer charges you 5 dirhams, whenever a customer gives you a 5-star rating, then we give you something back, right? Customer loyalty programs. When we have now our own customer loyalty program will be replaced by a share. So customer will use share points rather than using Mr. Star loyalty programs. You will then get a breakup of exactly what your reviews are. Very important to see reviews, right? So from customers. Mary, can you just do Al Faisal? Al Faisal Tech. This is a very interesting story, okay? Al Faisal Tech, he's no longer with us on the platform because, of course, he was a freelancer from Egypt when he had started, and because coronavirus, he had to leave the country and go back and all those sort of things. But this is an example of exactly what our team from ACC were telling us, right? He's a one-man show, yes, a one-man person. And we at Mr. Ustad, we never judge any Ustad saying that, oh, you have 5 people or you are 1 person or nothing, right? As long as you have the spirit to work and as long as you are able to get good customer service, we are always happy to work with you. Al Faisal was like this. He was one company. When he entered my office, he was in jeans, in one shirt, and he had one hammer on the side, okay? And he had one what is that? What do you call puckered on this side, right? So he had one puckered on his or one plier on his belt on this side, and he had one hammer. And we were all shocked, like, who is this person who has come? He couldn't even speak English, right? He could speak broken English. So but he had a smile on his face. He was like, I want to do business, teach me, and we took a bet, right? He turned out to be, in the 2 years that he worked with us, the highest rated service provider on our platform, right? This is one man, right? This is not even a company. He doesn't have website. He doesn't have pictures. Nothing. He is one man who was able to get reviews like this. He's 4.9, highest rated. This was the type of ratings he was able to get because what he understood was how the system works, right? I come to the house, I give a greeting, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, right? I will do this for you. He will do the job. After he does the job, he talks to the customer and asks them, did I do it properly? If you didn't like it, I will do it again, right? This is your bill, this is your receipt. Very important, right? Customers automatically feel that he is someone who's taking care of them, and he used to be able to get reviews like this from customers. If new customers read this type of ratings that you got preferably before, they are more likely to give you ratings, right? They are more likely to give you jobs also in the future. If I have 5 service providers contacting me on that same job, which customer will I, which service provider will I go to? I don't know any 5 of them. They will go to the one who's rated like this, who has reviews like this. It's very hard to argue with customer ratings. You can say, okay, your brand is like this, my brand is like this, but if so many different other customers are talking like this, then you must be good. And this is what we expect from service providers. If you can, it does not matter where you come from, it does not matter how you look, it does not matter this, but what matters is customer service and how you are able to treat the customer. If you are able to give us this type of service, it is in our interest to give you more jobs. Yeah. With that, I would wrap up this presentation. If you have any questions, I'll take them now. I will of course give my contact details to the ACC team. And if you want to sign up as a service provider, what you can do is basically go to mrrusta.com, yeah, and just click on sign up here. Sign up as a Rusta, okay, put in your company name, details, everything. There's also a sign up process after this where you will be expected to write your profile, right? So put up a description, put up your logo, like I showed you in the backend, right? Put up your pictures, upload your trade license. We will give you an email address to where you will send us the documents that we have asked for. So once you send us all these things, then we will hold individual meetings with all of you, okay? We will see, it's very important right now to understand what all categories we are planning to launch in the first round, okay? We are going to give it at least a month, hopefully by 1st of Jan, okay? Or in the first week of Jan, we'll want to launch Ms. Rusta Ajman. Yeah, so we have this 1 month of December to meet with all of you all, to understand the pricing, to set it all up on the categories, and then begin services. Alright? With this I will end. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Thank you, Mr. Rishant, for the informative presentation. And I here encourage all the businesses who have attended, and if they have any questions.
This often miss out, right? One of the reasons why we thought this was a very good partnership is because Ajman as an emirate misses out because everyone thinks the business is in Dubai, right? Or the business is in Abu Dhabi. And therefore they don't, unless you have a partner like the ACC, it will be very hard for businesses like us to come into in this space, right? You have a very good opportunity here where this is a government and private partnership coming together to help you out, right? And that gives you a first mover advantage, right? Let me give you an example, let me give you my past also. In the past, 5 years ago when I came to Dubai in 2015, I was with Zomato, yeah? And I was head of operations in Zomato. That time, restaurants were not on any of these applications. They did not know about the applications. They thought, oh, business, we will still get orders from our customers, all that, right? Today, if you are not on Talabat, or now Zomato is part of Talabat, right? So if you are not on Talabat, or if you are not on Careem, or if you are not on any of this, khalas, there is very little space for you to make any amount of money, right? Or any amount of business. Now, yes, in that space, it is very different. I'm not saying it is exactly like that in ours. Food is something you can't compromise on. You are always hungry, you will always want to get it, right? In home services, customers are still learning about it. What I'm trying to say is, even in 2020, we are like 2015 of where food was, right? In the next 3 years, in the next 2 years, a lot of money is coming into this space to market it, to increase it, especially in cleaning. Cleaning companies will know, right? In cleaning space, if you are not in Just Mop or if you are not in or a platform like Ms. Rusta, it's very hard to get business. because those businesses, because communities are getting either their own facilities management or they're getting their own platforms, all these sort of things. Today, those platforms are not in Ajman. We are one of the first. We are the first one to get here. So it's in your benefit to be on these platforms. See, these are other things also we do, right? We do partnerships. We do marketing promotions with customers. Wait, many say come here. Yeah, see, this is how we do laundry. Our laundry bags are filled with 10 kilos of laundry. We do something like for 60 dirhams, right? For 60 dirhams, we get 10 kilos of laundry laundered, and we give bags like this, Mr. bags. This is a partnership with Handyman. So right now, because we want to do for Black Friday, we do a partnership of 20% off and get customers on board. And every discount that we do a sharing discount, right? So it will not be classed like I'll say, you give 20% off and you will bear the 20%. I will give 10%, you will give 10%. And that's how we give 20% to the customer, right? We have an exclusive partnership with Insurance Market. So Insurance Market is where we sell insurance on the platform. So they're a strategic partner. So there are many different channels from where customers come in, and you can get the benefit from these sort of added marketing. What is the price of cleaning right now in Ajman per hour? Cleaning per hour? For 1 hour, one cleaner, for 1 hour, one cleaner without materials, what do you charge?
Maid is different.
Sorry?
Maid is different.
Maid is different. Okay.
I think for 25 per day.
Sorry?
25.
25 dirham. Okay. For maid without cleaner
Yeah.
per hour. Okay. That's good. So in Dubai now it is something like 37.
Yeah, that is
We are-
45.
Yes. I remember the good days when we used to charge 52 dirhams. And then it became 42 dirhams, then it became 35 dirhams, now it is 25. It is a very competitive space. So everyone is just undercutting the market. But well, if that's the price, it's good. Any movers here? Any moving companies? Handyman companies? Can you just tell me each one of your which companies or what services you provide?
MEP.
MEP. Okay. MEP. Oh, then?
Interior.
Interior design? That's excellent.
AC.
AC. Okay. Sorry?
Interior.
Interior. Okay. Construction MEP.
Pest control, security, and construction.
Pest control, security, and construction. So pest control is very good because pest control is the first one of the important things that we need. You? Sorry? Cleaning. Okay. Construction. So that's MEP works. Big construction. So like interior design and fit out and
Main contractor.
maid.
Main contract.
Maid.
Main contract.
Main contract. Okay. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but you can explain. And you guys? Cleaning. Space. So the good thing with cleaning and laundry is it is the easiest way to onboard customers, right? Customers. So in this space also, customers take time to trust someone like an interior designer, right? Because interior designer could be a 20,000 dirham job, 50,000 dirham job, whatever, right? But to build that trust with the customers, cleaning is always a very good space. Cleaning, pest control, laundry, these are things which you cannot do without, or the prices are small enough for me to take a chance, right? So it is a very good space to get inside first. Then when you are inside a customer's house and you build a relationship with the customer, then you can always tell them, oh, see, we also do this, or we also do that. So that is a good thing that we can do. I'll be honest also, right? My first thing to get launched in Ajman is the confirmed jobs, right? So the confirmed job space, like the cleanings, the pest controls, the MEP, the construction, these are AC works, right? These are things that I want, because we can put prices upfront and get to the customer, so we can build a strong trust with the customers. Then as we build, as the market grows, then we can start doing more bespoke type of jobs. Yeah. So yes, cleaners, AC guys, MEP guys, all these things, whichever do. My suggestion is please go to the website today, okay, and go and see how we break it up. We will make exactly like the same thing for Ajman. Yeah. So it's like in cleaning also, if you see, right? One-time cleaning. So we do one-time cleaning, we do monthly cleaning, and we do deep cleaning, right? So these are the different ways. So you can choose whether it's 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever, right? So you click on that hour, how many cleaners do you want? So you click one. So do you want with materials or do you don't want with materials? Then you select that. Then you put your address, you put any extra details if you want, and then you check out. So when you do the checkout, then again the same thing, right? You select your date. So if there is no, that means our slot is filled, right? So customer cannot book now at this point in time because that slot is already filled on 26. So if you choose another date, right? So when you choose another date, it's also slot is filled. Sorry? Oh, because the location is Ajman. Okay. So we are not yet available in Ajman. So change the location. So when you choose, then you get automatically you get the price, and then you if there are loyalty points or share points, then you can use that here, and then you click on checkout. Then you will of course log in as a customer, and then you will either customer can pay online, so then we will collect, or they can pay you cash. Let me just explain to you how that works also. If they pay you cash, you will collect the cash. Okay, as a cleaning company, you will collect the cash. If they pay online, then they will pay us directly on the 10th of every month. Then whatever I owe you, I will put directly into your bank account. Okay, so not into your Mr. Usta account, I put it into your bank account. The amounts that I collect. So from whatever amounts I collect from the 1st to the 31st, then in the next month, your accountant and my accountant will sit together. We will tally our costs. Okay, you say this much you owe me. I will then transfer that to you on the 10th of every month. The commission amount I will select. I will keep taking from your 1,000 dirhams that you put into your Mr. Usta account.
Excuse me, it's 1,050 for example. This monthly you put it? Or
No. You put 1,050 until that amount is finished. You don't have to put any more. Okay, so it's like a mobile recharge, right? You top up your account. When you make the calls, you make the SMSs, then it keeps deducting from that. When that finishes, then you'll top up again.
This
And then there is,
one-
and more important, there is no validity. So if you put 1,000, it is there in your account.
This is the amount, 1,000, this amount accountable for your commission. You take
Is
it-
for our commission, yes.
Yeah, I understand.
You understand, right? So our commission amount will come from this one. Whatever we collect online as the customer, the actual cash of the job, that we will give you back at the end of the month on the 10th of every month.
And I can choose if I can collect my money by cash or online. By
Customer will choose. Customer will choose whether they want to pay online or they want to pay by cash.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same way with MEP also. With MEP also same thing. Can you show MEP? So like electrical services, right? See, this is another thing. This is the blue button is for unconfirmed jobs. The orange button is for confirmed jobs. So if I click on this, right, on book now, right, I can choose what I want. I want to replace bulbs or dripping light, fixing grounding, all the select one of them. Right? How many hours do I want that person for? And this is another important thing, how we break up our categories. So if customers want a premium service or they want a standard service, right? So we charge customers for if they want, so like simple things, right? If they want to change parts, MEP guys will know this, right? Customers want a new bulb changed and they want maybe some Wi-Fi bulb or some smart bulb or something like that. It's the cost for you to go to that market and to get that part also, right? So if customer does not want to get the part himself and wants you to get the part, then they go for a premium service. If they say, "Khalas, I have the bulb, you just have to install it," then they go for standard service, right? So like that, the same thing. We put the date and check out. So like this, we have 4 different categories. And like what I explained to you before, if you have a category in mind, right? So like even like for cleaning, right? Maybe we are not doing something in cleaning that you do. Maybe it is tile cleaning, or maybe it is, I don't know, garden cleaning, something, whatever it is, right? You can choose whatever category and tell us how you want the prices. We'll set it up. All right? Okay.